people. I just hit the record button, caught a little fatty. Man, look at that little thing. Got a little belly on him. Caught this thing right here. It's a super small one, but it's got a fat stomach. That's pretty cool. Probably feeding up right now. I decided to just leave what I had on. It's this little minnow imitation. I think that's perfect for bass or whatever. Just throw them back out there. All right, something about this area looks good. Got him. What is it? What is it? All right. Green sunfish, maybe. He's not that cold. Ooh, look at that though. Gotta lip him. See, I love those little colors right there. Little like turquoise on the face. Always pay attention to the colors of these smaller fish, because that gives you a good idea of what colors to use when you're picking out baits and stuff. Got the little orange on the tail, the fins. See, it's got like the orange browns, the turquoise, of course the greens. Gonna let them go. Oh, what is this? What is it? Oh, fighting decent. Oh, it popped off. What the heck, man? This hook is just not doing it. Alright, let's see if we can make it happen again. Got him, got something. There he goes. Whatever it is, it's fighting good. Oh, got him. Dang, look at the size of that. That's a big baby right there. Holy smokes, dude. Look at that thing, it's bigger than my hand. That is a big sunfish. Holy crap. He really ate the lure. Holy smokes. All right, my man, give me back my thing. All right, people, look at that. That is huge. I just want to I don't even know how to compare it, but it's bigger than it's just bigger than my hand. All right, we're gonna let him go. That is a big bluegill sunfish. I don't know if you guys know what this is exactly. Let me know. It has like the stripes like a bluegill, but it looks like a green sunfish, yellow-breasted sunfish. I don't know. Let's put him back. Oh, there he goes. Bet you I'll catch him. Oh. Okay, not a bass. Chill. I think this is green sunfish, not sure. Dang it. Yeah, the fish are, I think despite the weather, it's a nice one right there. Let's throw him back in a quieter spot so that he... All right, let's throw a little bit more. Oh, got something. Oh, bass. Oh, snap. Oh, it's fighting good. Oh, snap. It's a good one. Oh, snap. There he goes. Oh, it's like 4-pound test. It's a fight. Oh, snap. There he goes. There he goes. Come on. Oh, got him. All right. Nice. That was a good fight right there. Oh yeah, baby. Dang, that is a good, man, that is definitely like a 2-pounder right there. Let's get a good weight on him before I let him go. I'm trying to hurry because I don't know how much battery I have left. All right, let's get a weight on that boy. Oh, stop moving. 2 pounds. Whoa, he doesn't like the he don't like his lip getting gripped like that. All right, it's a nice little chunk. I really like this. Nice fat belly. Let him go. Oh, he's stuck on my... All right. All right, so that last fish I just caught, it was on this little minnow imitation. Such a big fish for a little lure. Oh, comes another train. Oh, that was a little... So I forgot to press record after I changed my lure. These things actually worked pretty good, but snap, get out of there. Okay, got it. So I was using this little tiny swim bait. Got this guy right here. This is decent, probably maybe borderline 1 pounder. It's nice. I'm happy. What was catching that? All right, so I'm gonna try this. Oh, here we go. Got him. Oh, snap. The hook set though. Oh, what is this? That might have been what jumped up. All right, nice. It's pretty big. It's a good size. All right. Let's throw him back. All right, let's keep going. That was a I think that's what I saw jump up. Sunfish, whatever. Let's see. Oh no. I think it'll bite this for sure. Oh, look, there he is. Oh, that is not a... Oh, snap. He's fighting. Oh, let's not break off. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh, snap. I'm not gonna weigh it out. It's like a 2 pounder. Dang, this is a nice one. Let's get him cleaned off. That is a good one. Nice. At least a 2-3 pounder. I don't know, probably 2.5. Nice fat stomach. They're feeding. I did not expect to catch that. I thought it was a giant bluegill. All right, off he goes. Oh, snap. I don't know what this is. Oh, it was fighting pretty good for a little thing. Thought I had a bass there for a little bit. Oh, snap, right almost through the eye. The recording? Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's a nice, like, yellow orange on there. They're big. They're not very... Oh, little baby bass. Hey, brother. All right, who knew? Little bass, not bad. In the gills. All right, spread them wings, baby, fly. Oh, got sucked in. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I don't know how many times I've snapped off with fish on the line, with fish on the hook. Make sure you guys are hitting that like button if you do like the videos. go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you're hitting that notification bell right next to it, so that anytime I put videos out, you don't miss one. All right, guys, had a lot of fun today. I will be coming out to this spot in the future, maybe with better weather, but